Okay, this is clip 3 of video 2. Okay, guys, I said we have the double top. Now, because we have the double top, we expected this market to fall. Okay, guys, you should remember, like I told you, how did we know that the market was going to reverse here? We always expect a double top as an signal for a sell. Once we have a double top after the breakout from the rising wedge, then the market should retrace at least 50% or 100%. Why I'm expecting 50% is because we are on an uptrend. So what I can assure you that the market will retrace to 23.6. I can assure you that. How am I saying that? Let's go to our Fibonacci and see whether this guy is talking nonsense or he is telling the truth. How do we use the Fibonacci from the last point where the market has been respected to the lowest point, the highest point to the lowest point? Oh, so now this guy is telling something that makes sense. Okay, you can see that my support and resistance are almost making sense. So how do you know how to just mark your zones? Using the Fibonacci retracement zone, guys, you put your Fibonacci into those horizontal support and resistance. This is how you mark the zones. We don't assume things here. You see, it makes sense. This is 0. Another zone, this is gonna be 23 point something. Where are you now? Somebody have disappeared. Okay, let's get another one because we have plenty. Nice, you see? So this is how you mark the zones, guys. This is how you mark the zones. Okay, it makes sense now. Okay, let's get another zone. If you can take a look at what I'm doing, it makes perfect sense. Look, this is the zone where the market has been respected. This is our 38.2. And now we're gonna have 50, sorry. We're gonna have 50. Here it just came exactly here. Why? It's because the market has been respected for multiple times around this level. Another one, we're gonna have it here. And it makes perfect sense, guys. All these areas has been respected. Okay? Let's make them equal. This is how we say the market is respecting the zones, not only the point, but the zones. We are almost at what we call the support. Okay, so now we're gonna wait for this market to show us where is it going. Let's expect another signal, guys, because entering the market like this is a little bit risky. But going to 1 hour time frame, remember now we are looking for entries. We already have a trend line here, guys. Can you see that? Boom. This might be the perfect entry. This might be the perfect entry. Let's say this candle closes like this. It's gonna be a bearish engulfing on 1 hour. Now let's zoom in. As you can see, remember that was a bearish engulfing. So this is our trend line. We are sure that, okay, we are expecting the market to go down, not up. Why? Because it has to respect that double top. How to just see your take profit target from the double top? You take or you draw the line from the first neckline, okay? Sorry, from the first leg to the neckline, okay? Then you move that line to your second leg. Okay, you are sure that now this is the exactly one and the same distance. Then from the neckline, you will know how long you can expect to sell. So we're gonna sell when the market opens. We sell out cut. Our take profit will be at 61.8. How do you know that? It's because how you analyze using your Fibonacci retracement zones. Now I'm combining the strategy together with everything. It makes perfect sense now. Okay, we already have another zone here. How can we forget about it while the market is always remembering these zones? That's another sign that, okay, the market has just fallen. So we are no longer expecting to buy. We are selling because we are on a downtrend after we touched the support of which is our roof. when we are talking about reality. So we said the market is expected to crash all the way. It's not gonna go like tree. Maybe it might, but it will always make waves, guys. I think you understood how we analyze the market. That's it, guys, from your boy TKFX Lifestyle. You can see that on 1 hour we already have an entry here. Looking at this situation, when the market opens, we find out that it left a bearish engulfing on 1 hour. We will go to 15 minutes. Pa! You will see that we already have a shooting star. That's a huge rejection. This is a shooting star. Then you enter, you sell, then you take profit. Where are you taking profit? Exactly at 60, oh sorry, at 61.8. But if you wanna hold for a long time, you will take profit at 38.2. This seems to be the very strong point where the market has been respected. It might reverse here. Come again, look at what I'm saying. Looking at this previous data, you will see that 1, 2, 3, how many times this is gonna be our new support. Okay, so looking at this, you will see that at 38.2, it makes sense now because this is where we have our horizontal, I mean parallel support. So definitely sure the market will reverse here. It will respect this as the support because we have already found out that it is our parallel support. So we are sure that this market is going to respect this area and bounce back to the upper side. What are we going to do in order to make profit? We are going to take profit there and make sure that we are waiting for any signal that will be telling us that the market is reversing. What signal is that and confirmation? It's gonna be a bullish candlestick pattern exactly at the support. Then we will know that we are ready to go up. We are already entering a new trend, which is an uptrend. We are no longer looking to sell, but we are buying. That's it, guys. I hope it makes sense now. As you can see, let's go to 4 hours so that I can show you the structure. This is where the market will be respected again. It's not the first time. It's not the first time. It happened before because looking at the structure, it broke above this level of 0.96111. Now it is going to retest it at 38.2. The market is expected to just push up. Looking at this structure, they already is gonna they will be already, I mean, what we call take profit confirmation because the double top will be already confirmed. That's it, guys, from your boy TKFX Lifestyle. I am signing out. I'm gonna do the last analysis, but this time I'm going to go to the volatility indices. So I'm going to go quickly open my MT5 and should remember, guys, I am logged in, I am live, although the market is closed, but all these charts are live. Now let's remove our Fibonacci so that we see how are we seeing these things. How did we knew that the market was going to be respected here? The Fibonacci retracement zone are gone. Now it makes perfect sense. This makes sense. Take a photo. Always set your stop loss above if you are selling. Set your stop loss below when you are buying. Okay. Now let's go to our MT5.